Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be performing a oil change on the Scout 60, and I actually got the kit here from the company. So I'm going to walk you through all these steps. First thing we're going to do is unbox this so you can see what's inside of it. You got your oil right there. There's 4 quarts of this inside of the box. Your oil filter. There. Your 2 washers for the 2 nuts in the bottom of the motorcycle. Now, I drive a 2017 Scout 60. I believe that this oil change kit's the same for most of the Scouts or Scout 60s. It doesn't have to be 2017 as far as I know. And we're gonna go out here, start up the bike for a little bit, let it get a little warm. Not super hot, but just warm enough that it's heated up. And then we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil. Some stuff you're gonna need. You need something to take this off with. Pliers, if you have big enough pliers. You can actually buy the cups that go on top and you can untwist them. You're gonna want a pan to collect the oil in. Okay, one of the last things you're gonna need is a funnel. So if you don't have one, make one. If you can't make one, go buy one. Alright guys. Hey, there you have it. This is the oil change kit that we have. We got 4 quarts of oil, the filter, 2 washers, cool box you can keep if you want. I'm just joking. Alright, there's 2 nuts that we have to take out. I'm going to show you both of those right now. Okay, on this one we want to make sure there's no damage to the nut. I'm going to check the other one as well. I don't see any damage. Alright, go ahead and dry these things off. Let this oil keep draining for a little while. Once you get these off and you've inspected them, you can go ahead and take the nut or the washer and put it on the nut. Do that with both of them and just have them stand to the side so when you're ready to put it on, it's ready to go. Now the next part here is the oil filter is actually right up underneath here. And we're going to unscrew that and go ahead and take that out. On the opposite side from this over there is the horn. So we can take that off if we want to, but there's really no need to. We can reach it from here. So we're just gonna reach up underneath, unscrew this, and then go ahead and just put it to the side for now. So we're going to take this filter, a little bit of oil, new oil, you're put it on your finger, and then you're going to rub it around the ring on this right here. Just one little ring around it, just to help with the seal. I'm going to wipe this off on the towel if you have one nearby. And then we're going to go place it up underneath here, back by the footstool, behind the horn. Put both these nuts back on, put the oil filter on, and then there's specs that you can actually look up to tighten them to, or if you'd like, you can go ahead and tighten them to
them extended. They're not gonna strip when you take it off next time. Alright, give this a good old wipe down underneath all the oil off that might have spilled out. Alright, the next part we have here is we have to take out the dipstick. We're going to fill this back up with oil. Alright, and then you go and start it up and let it run for a minute or two, and then turn it off, and then we'll actually check the oil underneath and see how well it's doing.